Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily copy Snapchat profile link on Android and iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I am on my iPhone, you can follow the exact same steps if you're on Android. So let's get started. So first of all, open up the Snapchat application and then tap on your profile on the top left corner, and right on the top right corner, next to the gear icon, you'll be able to find a share option. Tap on it and it will take you to this page where you'll be able to find all the profile sharing options. You can hit on more and you'll be able to find more options like messages, mail, or WhatsApp or Messenger. But right on the bottom left corner, you'll be able to find an option of copy. And by tapping on this, you'll be able to copy your profile link on your clipboard. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.